Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
जवानी तेरी बिजली की तार है।
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to iwmbuzz.com, and today we have with us somebody who's really special. बिजली की तार. Have you ever heard or even imagined कि इसके ऊपर भी गाना बजा सकते हैं हम लोग? This man right here, he has made it possible, Mr. Tony Kakkar.
Hi भाई.
And the song जिसके लिए ये dedicate किया गया है, the very beautiful Urvashi Rautela, the most searched celebrity on Google in 2016. We people forget that. So first of all, welcome to both of you. Welcome to both of you.
Thank you,
for this beautiful show, and looking forward to have a wonderful segment with you both. First of all, I would want to ask you, बिजली की तार. You mean I just feel that यार कहीं से भी इंस्पिरेशन ले लेते हो और गाने के लिए कहाँ से लेके आते हो ऐसे इंस्पिरेशन? बिजली की तार. Everybody is asking this question to me.
भाई आप देखो, अब जब सब लोग आपसे ये सवाल कर रहे हैं तो वही मेरी जीत हो जाती है.
Absolutely. But
क्योंकि there is so much, दुनिया में इतनी सारी चीज़ें आती हैं जिसकी कोई बात भी नहीं करता है, तो हमें वो भी नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि अगर आप इन अ पॉजिटिव वे और देखने चाहें तो बहुत सारी कंप्लेंट्स भी हैं कि फ्यू पीपल आर सेइंग ये क्या बात हुई, पर वही बात कोका कोला में भी हुई थी. भाई ये क्या गाना होता है कोका कोला, पर कोका कोला इज कोका कोला. तो वैसे ही आई फील कि धीमे धीमे भी आई एम सॉरी बिजली की तार भी इज ऑल्सो लाइक दैट कि इसमें लोग बोलेंगे शुरू में कि ये क्या है, और पर रिस्पॉन्स बहुत मैसिव है. सबसे बड़ी बात है
इट्स अबाउट द कि ज्यादा कौन सा है, पॉजिटिविटी और द नेगेटिविटी. आई फील द पॉजिटिविटी इज जस्ट एब्सोल्युटली स्पॉट ऑन.
Thank you.
I have one more thing to add. Yeah. It's very important. I think I have a feeling that Tony will create his own space in this kind of a segment, which is loved by a lot of masses. Like with Coca-Cola, he will create his own segment, and it will be a different space of your own.
And if you see the trend, in Indian cinema or music industry, everybody who has created his or her own space, they are the ones who have actually stood out.
Exactly.
This is like a, observation.
Bro, you won't believe what happens कि जब मैं कुछ अलग करता हूँ, और अलग जो भी करता है ना दुनिया में उसको पढ़ती है, और जब पढ़ती है तब फिर आप बोलते, बिकॉज मुझे पता है मैं इतने टाइम से जो भी कर रहा हूँ, आई नो मुझे कहाँ पहुँचना है, क्या करना है. बहुत ही कैलकुलेटिव एफर्ट्स हैं ये. तो जो बैश करते हैं बहुत इजीली, उनको मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि आप थैंक यू, एंड आई नो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, एंड आई वुड वांट टू से कि ये गाने अभी आपको और मिलेंगे. अभी बिजली की तार मल्टीप्लाई होके
किसी और चीज का तार,
एक तार नहीं वो 10 तारे हैं, एंड यू विल सी मोर ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ.
But tell me something, big brother. I mean, like since you have been in childhood school में, have you been in a co-education school?
जी.
अरे क्या बात है. तो
मैं लकी रहा हूँ.
Absolutely. तो स्कूल में ज़्यादातर we see that we are having a crush on somebody. So किसी के लिए आपने गाना वाना कुछ लिखा है कभी पहले?
मैं गाना शायद कुछ लिख दिया होगा, कुछ लाइनें लिख दी होंगी, पर मुझे
आपने किसी के लिए
ये सब वहीं की तो है, क्योंकि आपके दिमाग में कुछ चीज़ें रह जाती हैं सालों से, और वो आपके म्यूजिक में हो जाती हैं, और वो समटाइम्स इज जस्ट नॉट लिरिकली, पर कोई इमोशन भी आपको आया होगा तो वो कॉम्पोजिशन में आ जाता है. जैसे मिले हो तुम, अब गाना है मेरा मिले हो तुम हमको बड़े नसीबों से, वो एक एंथम है अपने जोन का. तो उसमें जब आप उसमें तो प्यार मोहब्बत ही मोहब्बत है. तो ये सब वो इमोशंस हैं, वो आप कहीं से आप पूरी उम्र जो जीते हो वो सब आप अपने म्यूजिक में ले आते हो, तो होता है डेफिनेटली.
And what about you? I mean, all sorts of dance forms. I think that in a few years you'll bring in your own sorts of dance forms. Snaking, popping, locking, everything you have done. I saw the music video and you were fantastic. I'm not kidding even one bit. The response that has come, you see the comments or you see people, messaging you personally. What's the best kind of compliment that you have got?
I would say कि अभी compliments आने बंद हो गए because people have expected a lot. I think, I don't know, like since I entered the industry, there was always like a lot of expectations. I don't know, Tony, पता नहीं क्यों, but people don't compete with me.
But
They
I
think,
think
okay, this is so.
expectations-
Okay,
नहीं,
she's.
Expectations are only, you know, I mean, given upon those people whom people feel कि हाँ यार ये कुछ ना कुछ जरूर करेगी या फिर ये कुछ ना कुछ जरूर करेगा. So I think people had that perception for you.
Yes, I don't know. And how come I developed it? I just don't know. मैंने ऐसा कुछ I did not pay any attention or I did not do something like that. But people have stopped complimenting me.
But I
नहीं
think
नहीं
it's
कहाँ
only हम लोग हैं यहाँ
हम
पे,
लोग
he's
हैं
there, everybody is
सब
there.
अभी देखो हम कितनी देर से
I
आपकी
think
तारीफ
we
कर रहे
don't
हैं
count.
सुबह से आप
ऐसा कुछ
तो हाँ आप तो हमें काउंट ही नहीं कर रही हैं.
But I would like to know
Yeah.
from you, like,
Yeah.
what is that about the choreography?
Absolutely, because see, I am not a dancer or a trained dancer, something, but as a, I mean, somebody
Viewer.
who's actually seeing it, you know, I mean, who has very basic sense of music or, you know, I mean, dancing.
Dancing.
Somebody who's seeing that and those kind of moves, for somebody like me, I'll feel कि यार ये तो मुझसे नहीं होगा. So that is
Exactly.
the biggest compliment you can get from somebody who's not
Exactly.
a non-dancer. So you know those kind of moves, the way you did it so fast. I mean, you know, absolutely wonderful. And I mean, he has mentioned that as well. And
Yeah,
that's the reason
yeah.
everybody's talking about it. He's
Absolutely.
been talking about that at the song launch, and you know, everywhere. I mean, I feel it's only helping your growth, whether you're receiving compliments or not.
yeah. But yeah, it was fun choreographing
Yeah.
the song, and also क्योंकि जो टोनी ने बहुत अच्छा song बनाया था, तो I was very sure that choreography भी बहुत अच्छी.
Yeah. So, but tell us something about like the experience that you had on the sets, because you know you had a lot of workshops, you had a lot of training. What was the fun part of the sets?
Actually, the fun part is that we had no training.
Really?
Yes. Actually, just like we did for like few hours. Baaki days from Turkey, and it was very hot. I did not expect it to be that hot. It was 55 degrees temperature, or I was wearing all leather pants and leather jacket, leather bandana, so everything was all wet, and then all sweaty, and I would say कि ये पहला गाना होगा मेरा जो है stretch मैंने 18 hours shoot किया है.
Yeah, बहुत.
And tell us about the entry in that bike. You were talking about John Abraham seeing that, and you know John sir complimenting you. Told him that you know this was like, I mean, his entry in Dhoom, that was inspirational. I was a child back then. I used to see and I used to imitate that in a bicycle.
Yeah.
So we all have done that, and you know when you showed it to him, what was like the response from his end?
It was great, and I play bike racer in it, and yeah, it was absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
The bike is on.
I would request you both to sing the song, and, so that I can join as well. So
Oh,
can we
amazing.
start that?
Oh great.
जवानी
ठीक.
तेरी
बिजली
की तार है,
जवानी तेरी बिजली की तार है, 26 तारीख से चढ़िया बुखार है, जवानी तेरी बिजली की तार है, बिजली के
खंबे जैसी खड़ी है,
तेरे बदन में अग्नि बड़ी है,
मुझे दिखाते किसकी तड़ी है,
तू शोला शोला फुल जड़ी है.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure talking to both of you, and I wish you all the best for
Thank
your
you
future
very much.
plans. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hi, this is me Tony Kakkar
Hi, I'm Urvashi Ramchala,
and you're watching
IWM Bus.